7 disgusting facts about ancient Roman life. Toiletry habits. Romans used communal toilets called latrines, where multiple people would sit together on stone benches with holes, doing their business. They used a sponge on a stick, called a xylospongium, for cleaning themselves after using a facilities. The same sponge stick was shared among people, often without proper cleaning, making it quite unsanitary. Garam, fermented fish sauce. Garam was a popular condiment made from fermented fish guts, often left to decompose in the sun for weeks. The resulting sauce was a staple in Roman cuisine, despite its strong, pungent odor and taste. Clothing and hygiene. Romans often wore clothes for extended periods without regular washing. The accumulation of sweat, dirt, and lack of proper hygiene contributed to skin conditions and unpleasant body odor. Bathing habits. While Romans were known for their elaborate public baths, the water wasn't always changed regularly. In fact, many people bathed in the same water, which could lead to unsanitary conditions. The concept of soap wasn't common either, so the effectiveness of the cleaning during these communal baths was limited. Oral hygiene practices. Romans used human urine as a mouthwash, believing its ammonia content would help whiten and strengthen their teeth. This practice was a common way to maintain oral hygiene. Street cleaning methods. There were no organized trash collections, and waste was often thrown onto the streets. Cleaning involved individuals called gom farmers, who manually removed waste. Medicine. Medical practices could be quite crude. There were beliefs that certain substances, including animal feces, had medicinal properties. Feces, especially from certain animals like crocodiles, were believed to possess healing properties. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.